So when we're trying to find a perpendicular line, we want to take the negative reciprocal of the gradient. So let's say this was the gradient of my original line, and I want to find a line that is perpendicular to it, so I need to find the negative reciprocal of each of these values. So the way this works is that if your original gradient was 4, then the reciprocal of 4 is 1 over 4. So that is the reciprocal. And because you want the negative reciprocal, you change the sign. So it's currently positive, so you change the sign, and so it becomes negative. So the negative reciprocal of 4 is minus 1/4. Okay, so let's put that on there. Now for 1/9, first of all, the reciprocal. Well, the reciprocal of 1/9 is 1 over 1/9. Now what that does is it flips the fraction round. So the denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator, and you get 9 over 1. So the reciprocal of 1/9 is 9, but we need to change the sign as well. This is currently positive, so we change the sign and it becomes negative. So the negative reciprocal 1/9 is minus 9. Okay, so you can kind of see how these flip over. So 4 becomes 1/4, 1/9 becomes 9. Okay, so that's the reciprocal part, and then we're changing the sign. So for minus 3, just focus on the 3 for the moment. The reciprocal of 3 is 1 over 3. And we then need to change the sign. So minus 3, the negative reciprocal, will just be positive 1/3. So it goes from a negative to a positive. So if we start with minus 1/12, 1 over 1/12 is the same as 12 over 1. Okay, so when you find the reciprocal of a fraction, you just flip it round. So you get 12 over 1, which is of course just 12. And then we need to change the sign. So a negative becomes a positive. So the negative reciprocal of minus 1/12 is 12. Okay, so then when we get to number 5, we've got 4/5. So the reciprocal of 4/5 is 1 over 4/5. And as in the other examples, it flips the fraction round. So we get 5/4. So 5 over 4. And because we've started out with a positive here, we need to change the sign to be the negative reciprocal. So this is minus 5/4. Now the last one is 9/11. So the reciprocal is 1 over 9/11, which is 11/9. And then we need to change the sign. So minus 9/11, the negative reciprocal is positive 11 over 9. Okay, so this is how we can find the negative reciprocal of whatever gradient is thrown at us.